Imagine waking up one day and discovering that the job you've worked for years no longer exists. Not because of a financial crisis, but because artificial intelligence has taken over. While millions of traditional jobs may disappear, a new generation of AI careers is expected to create incredible opportunities for those who are ready. By 2035, the people who understand AI could become the highest paid professionals in the world. In this video, we'll explore 7 powerful AI jobs that could shape the future and completely change the way people earn money. The final career on this list might surprise you the most. The first AI job that could become one of the highest paying careers by 2035 is AI engineering. AI engineers don't just build chatbots, they create intelligent systems that can solve complex problems, power self-driving cars, improve hospitals, and even help scientists make new discoveries. As artificial intelligence becomes a part of almost every industry, companies around the world will compete to hire the best AI engineers. Experts believe that this profession could become one of the most respected and highest paid careers of the future. Learning AI today could be one of the smartest investments you make for tomorrow. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, cyber attacks will also become more dangerous. That's why AI cybersecurity experts could become some of the most valuable professionals by 2035. Their job will be to protect banks, governments, hospitals, and even entire smart cities from AI-powered hackers. Instead of reacting after an attack happens, advanced AI security systems will detect threats in real time and stop them within seconds. In the future, every major company may depend on AI cybersecurity experts to protect their data and digital infrastructure. This career could offer not only high salaries, but also one of the most important responsibilities in the AI era. But the next AI career could be even more surprising. The third AI career that could dominate the future is AI robotics engineering. These professionals will design and build intelligent robots that can think, learn, and work alongside humans. By 2035, AI robots could be used in hospitals, factories, space missions, construction sites, and even inside our homes. Instead of performing simple tasks, these machines will solve problems, make decisions, and adapt to new situations on their own. As more industries adopt advanced robotics, the demand for AI robotics engineers is expected to grow rapidly. This career could become one of the most exciting and highest-paying professions in the age of artificial intelligence. Another AI career that could completely transform the future is AI healthcare science. Instead of waiting for people to become sick, advanced AI systems may detect diseases years before symptoms appear. AI scientists will develop intelligent medical technologies that can analyze DNA, predict health risks, and create personalized treatments for every individual. Future hospitals may use AI to discover new medicines much faster than today's researchers, with a growing demand for smarter healthcare around the world. AI healthcare specialists could become some of the most respected and highest paid professionals of the future. This career won't just create wealth, it could help save millions of lives. The next and final AI career could become the richest opportunity of them all. Don't miss it. The most powerful AI career of the future may not be working for a company at all. It could be becoming an AI entrepreneur. Instead of using artificial intelligence to earn a salary, future entrepreneurs will build AI products, create intelligent businesses, and solve real-world problems for millions of people. From AI-powered healthcare platforms to smart education systems and futuristic robots, the opportunities are almost limitless. The biggest technology companies of tomorrow may be created by people who start learning AI today. By 2035, those who combine creativity with artificial intelligence could build businesses worth billions of dollars. The future doesn't belong to those who fear AI, it belongs to those who learn it. Which AI career would you choose? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Future Decode for more amazing future technology videos.